So here is the backyard. This is fencing that's movable. And then this is a metal frame that I put chicken wire over. And it's zip tied on. I keep a chair right here. And then here's that fencing. And then here's all the adult chickens and their coop and their chicken yard. So as you can see, the chickens are just separated by some chicken wire. Protects the babies. And I can sit here and feed both flocks snacks at the same time. This is the bane of my existence because it's really difficult to open. Here I have a little chicken ladder and all right, so I have a chicken ladder, and then there's also a chicken swing, which they haven't discovered it yet. I haven't even seen them on this ladder yet. And then I keep my little garden bench in here. I need to replace the foam. And I sit on that. I can move it around and I can use it to sit and play with the babies. And so this is our baby coop. It's got a little nest box. And it's got inside there. They can sit in there. And then underneath, there's a little place where they can go. Hi, Angel. And then we got their food and water. Hi, Angel. How are you? This is Angel. She's a good girl. And there's little Pearl. Yep, those are the babies. They're 9 weeks old. And that big golden rooster is Princess. And Princess used to be a hen and then turned into a rooster at 9 months old. So we kept the name. And that, of course, is Matilda. And Matilda may be finding a new home when I get back from vacation. Because Matilda is somewhat aggressive. Let's be honest, Matilda's a dick. And Princess is a good boy. He's a nice boy. And there's Fanny and Shandy and Zelda and Daffodil and Pickles and Duchess. Buttons, and I believe Olga is inside the coop. She's broody. All right, and there's the other chicken feeder. It's kind of cool. The food comes down as they eat. And that's what the adults eat from, and then I just have one of those rubber bowls for my water. And I've got the fencing all around both sides of the lawn, and then there's a walkway that goes between, and I just connect it in the morning. It goes all the way around here. And then there's the babies. And there's the babies hopping on things. They're very active. They're very happy to be out. This is day 4 of being outside. They're super stoked. And within 4 weeks, we'll probably be close to combining them. But I'm going to wait till they're closer to laying eggs to combine them. All right, that's my... Oh! Somebody's going in to lay, and I hear a broody chicken. Nest box drama. All right, there's the flock. Sunshine Farms.